Hey there, wealth builders! This is the King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let us break a common myth that has been ingrained in our minds for far too long: that working hard means getting rich quickly. Wealth builders, it's simply not true. There are smarter ways to work, where you can put in less time and effort but still make more money than those who are burning the midnight oil. So, without further ado, come and join your king and let's jump in. Alright, first on our list of ways to work less and make more is outsourcing. But wait, what is outsourcing? Let your king explain it to you. Outsourcing is the practice of hiring someone else, often a freelancer or a company, to handle tasks, operations, or services that are either difficult to manage or are outside of your business's core competencies. Outsourcing also allows you to tap into a global pool of talent, often at a lower cost than hiring full-time employees. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to scale your business up or down as needed without the hassle of hiring and firing employees. An excellent example of this is hiring a virtual assistant to handle your scheduling, emails, and administrative tasks. Let's say you're a busy entrepreneur who spends hours every day managing your calendar and responding to emails. By outsourcing these tasks to a virtual assistant, you can free up your time to focus on what you do best, whether that's developing new products, marketing your business, or building relationships with clients. Not only does this allow you to work less, but it also has the potential to increase your productivity and ultimately make you more money. Wealth builders, your king believes that outsourcing is truly one of the proven ways to work less and make more. You see, when leveraging the skills and expertise of others, you can streamline your operations, reduce your workload, and increase your bottom line. So, if you're looking to work smarter, not harder, consider adding outsourcing to your bag. Next up, we have the power of utilizing automation tools. Wealth builders, these handy tools can be a game changer for anyone looking to work smarter, not harder. Imagine you're running an online store and you need to send out promotional emails to your customers. Instead of spending hours crafting each email and hitting the send button, an automated email marketing tool can do all the heavy lifting for you. You just set it up once and it runs on autopilot, saving you time and energy. Not only does automation save you time, but it can also increase your efficiency and productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, you can minimize the chances of errors and ensure that everything runs smoothly. This leaves you with more time to focus on the bigger picture and make strategic decisions that can drive your business forward. Plus, you'll be less stressed and more focused, leading to a better work-life balance. But the benefits of automation don't stop there, wealth builders. By working less and more efficiently, you can increase your earning potential. You'll have more time to take on new clients, expand your business, or even pursue new opportunities that you didn't have time for before. Automation is like having an extra pair of hands that work tirelessly in the background, helping you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Now, the third way to work less and make more is by building passive income streams. Passive income is money that comes in regularly without you having to put in much effort after the initial setup. There are countless ways to generate passive income, wealth builders, but some of the most popular methods include creating and selling digital products like online courses or ebooks. You can use platforms such as Udemy or Amazon to host and sell your products, making it easy to reach a wide audience. One of the biggest advantages of passive income is that it allows you to earn money while you sleep. Really, while you sleep. Because once you've created and launched your product, you can sit back and let the sales roll in. This means that you can potentially earn a significant amount of money without having to trade your time for it, giving you the freedom to spend more time doing the things you love. Listen up to your king. Building passive income streams does require some upfront work and investment, but the payoff can be well worth it. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or replace it entirely, creating passive income streams is a proven way to work less and make more. So, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at just how lucrative it can be. The fourth on our list is all about fine-tuning your sales strategy. Wealth builders, by optimizing your sales funnel and improving your conversion rates, you can make more money without having to work more hours. This could involve testing different pricing strategies, improving your product descriptions, or using targeted marketing campaigns to attract the right customers. The key here is to focus on what works and continuously refine your approach. You don't need to reinvent the wheel to see significant improvements in your sales. Simple changes like tweaking your pricing, improving the copy on your product pages, and targeting your marketing efforts more effectively can lead to higher conversion rates and more revenue. It's all about testing and iterating, learning from your successes and failures, and adapting your strategy to better meet the needs of your target audience. So, take the time to fine-tune your sales strategy and watch your profits soar without having to put in extra hours. Alright, last but not least, the proven way is collaborating with other businesses. Do you know that forming partnerships and joint ventures can be a game changer for your business? You don't believe your king, huh? Okay, let me discuss it further. You see, by teaming up with other companies, you can leverage each other's strengths, resources, and customer bases. For example, if you run a bakery, why not partner with a local coffee shop to offer a special breakfast package? Another example is if you own a flower shop, you could collaborate with a local wedding planner to provide floral arrangements for their events. This kind of collaboration can help you reach new customers and increase your revenue without requiring extra work on your part. Now, you're convinced, right? The beauty of collaboration is that it opens up a world of possibilities. You can explore new markets, share costs, and even co-create products or services. It's a win-win situation where both businesses can grow and succeed together. So, if you're looking to work less and make more, don't underestimate the power of collaboration. It could be the key to unlocking new opportunities and taking your business to the next level. So, there you have it, my loyal wealth builders. The 5 proven ways to work less and make more. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.